Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today I'm going to smoke a 12-pound turkey in my Lone Star Grill offset smoker. I'll show you how we get this turkey put together and show you how we do it JP style. Check it out. Today I'm going to be doing the turkey. We got plenty of turkeys in the supermarket because it's that time of the year, and we're going to smoke a turkey. So here I just got a young turkey, and the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to cut this tail off because I'm not crazy about the tail. Most people don't like the tail. You know, you take it off, and we're going to do this turkey a little bit different. We're going to spatchcock it, which means we're going to take the spinal column out, split it open, and lay it flat. And we're not going to smoke it today. We're going to actually smoke it tomorrow. I just need to get this turkey ready today and get it all seasoned up. So I've spatchcocked chickens before, but this is the first time that I'll do a turkey. So let's see. All right, we'll just pour it on the back and get both sides of the spinal column, and you want to make sure you got you a nice sharp knife, and there we go. Some people use shears, and I'm trying to get better at using my knives without cutting myself, so I'm gonna just plow through this and cut right through the spine, and there's half of it. There we go. Got to get through those rib bones. Okay, there we go. A little bit better. We just put the hatchet job to it, and there it is. One spine taken out. And some people take this breastbone out of it. Okay, there we go. Coming right out. There it is. One breastbone taken out. What it looks like, and got the legs, the thighs, the breast, and we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on this turkey, and we're going to be using our sexy chicken with the base layer of our J.P.BBQ rub. A little bit of olive oil. Since we got it over on this side, we'll go ahead and start off with a base layer of our J.P.BBQ rub right on it. This turkey, I got this turkey at Publix, and these turkeys were running 49 cents a pound. You can't beat that. I had gone to Costco and I bought a couple of turkeys at Costco as well, and the turkeys there, the organic turkeys, which were more expensive obviously, they were running for $2.99 a pound, and the regular turkeys that they had were running 99 cents a pound. So I was like, I'm gonna get me a couple of those turkeys, and I got them turkeys still in the freezer. They're still frozen. And this turkey, I got this turkey at Publix, and I paid 49 cents a pound, which is a good deal. Now when you get good deals like that, you buy them, freeze them, and use them at a later date. The J.P.BBQ on this side, and then we're gonna use our sexy chicken as well. You know, sexy chicken is just not, it's not just for chicken. You can use this on any type of poultry, and you know, turkey would be good as well. This would be the first time that I use it on turkey, because these are brand new products that I you know, started to come out with. Yes sir. Just pat it in there, get this wing, get it all up on the thighs, on the drumsticks, in between, up on the breast. Woo. So we'll get this bad boy flipped over and do the same thing on the front side. A little bit J.P.BBQ. And I'm interested to see what this turkey is going to come out like. I've never done turkey. Like I said, this is my first time doing turkey in the Lone Star Grill. I've smoked turkey in a pellet smoker that I used to have. And I'll tell you a funny story about that pellet smoker. I had bought that pellet smoker about a year ago. And it was a good pellet smoker. I've used it several times, and it was big. It was a Masterbuilt 44-inch pellet smoker. And it did a good job. You know, I like the way it performed. As far as the capacity inside of it, had plenty of room. I did some chicken wings for a party, and the people fell in love with it. It worked really good. You know, but I used my other ones that I have right here behind me. I got these small little 40-inch electric pellet smokers, and they do a great job. So that one kind of got pushed to the side. So my wife was having a garage sale here at the house, and you know, we're selling some stuff that, you know, no longer need. You know, people have garage sales all the time. And I put my pellet smoker up for sale. So people would come by and look at it and look at it. And when I bought it, it was a $600 pellet smoker. So, you know, but people would ask, how much you want for it? And I said, well, you know, I was selling it for $300. I bought it for $600, not using it, you know, so I sold it for $300. And people would look at it and, you know, think about it and just walk away. And some people didn't know what it was, you know, and you have to go through the whole explanation of what it is. So I put it up on Facebook. I have a Facebook page. You know, J.P.BBQ's got a Facebook page where I put some of my stuff up as well. And I posted it on Facebook. And I had a guy, a business owner that owns a restaurant up in Lakeland, you know, send me a text message. Well, actually, he called me and he said, hey, you still got that pellet smoker for sale? And I'm like, yeah, absolutely, I sure do. I'm on my way to buy it. My pitmaster in my restaurant suffered a heart attack, and he's out of commission for a little while, so the only one that's running the pits is myself. So I need something so I can teach my wife how to learn how to smoke, and this will be the perfect thing. I said, well, it'll be here. If nobody buys it, you know, it'll be yours. He's like, okay, well, I'm on my way. I'm coming from Lakeland, and Lakeland is about an hour, I'll say maybe an hour and 20 minutes. You know, not an hour, it's about an hour's way. Depends what part of Lakeland you're coming from. So he headed over here and paid cash for it. Him and one of his buddies, you know, loaded it on a truck, paid me $300 cash, took it back to his restaurant. And the name of his restaurant, if I believe, is called the Barbecue Shack. But it was interesting. You know, I put it up for sale and I sold it the same day that I put it up, you know, and it sold fairly quickly, and, you know, I was impressed. So, you know, and I was just happy that it went to somebody that that has a restaurant, that has a business, or that is, you know, a barbecue aficionado, you can call it, you know, a guy that likes to smoke. Not going to somebody that's just gonna leave it in their carport or leave it in their garage, not use it every now and then, you know, because it is a good smoker. But besides that, it got gone. The Lone Star Grill arrived, and that's what I use now. That's my baby. And we're gonna smoke this turkey inside of it, and hopefully tomorrow, because I'm gonna let this turkey season up all night long today, and tomorrow fire up the Lone Star and have us some turkey for dinner. Smoking the turkey today, guys. So just wanted to cover a little bit about the Lone Star Grill. Started the fire probably around an hour ago, and I lit a whole basket of Kingsford briquettes in my chimney that I have, and inside the cabinet, the firebox itself, I put some more charcoal in a circle form. And once the charcoal briquettes were lit in the chimney, I just dumped them on there, and then I started stacking some wood on top of the charcoal and get lit. So last night I was watching a YouTube video. His channel is Texas 2.5, and I'm gonna put a link to his YouTube channel either in the description, or I'll probably just put something up, you know, here in the corner, so you can see his channel as well. But he also has a LoneStarGrillz offset smoker, and he was talking about being aggressive with your fire inside your firebox. With these types of offset smokers, it's a lot easier to be aggressive, and then when you get to the temperature, then you can almost shut it down immediately, and they're just that sensitive to the dampener on the firebox. So I'm trying that today. I'm trying to get this fire as hot as I can, try to get it up to 250 degrees. Right now, it's 9 o'clock, and I closed the firebox at 8:45. Start building the temperature up, and it's only 9:03, so it's only been 18 minutes. And on my Thermal Pro, I'm at 232 degrees, and on my Tell True, I'm coming up to 225. And the difference is because this temperature probe is on a different level to where the Tell True is at. But still, you know, the point that I'm trying to make here is that in 18 minutes, I went from 0 to 233 degrees. So once I get close to 250, I'm gonna try what he says. I'm gonna shut it down and try to keep it at that temperature. We'll see what happens. Once I get to 250, we're gonna throw that turkey in there, and hopefully this afternoon we got us some nice smoked turkey to eat. And we're gonna spray a little bit of, I can't believe it's not butter. See if we can get this thing golden brown. Hopefully I don't burn it. We'll see what happens. And we're also going to put a little bit more of our sexy chicken on it. There we go. All right, that'll work. And I'm just going to put it right in the breast. There we go. And what we're shooting for is a 165 internal temperature. And they say 165 in the breast, 180 in the thighs and the legs. Let's go ahead and take a look at this turkey. It's been in here. I think it already hit a temperature of like 110. So what I'm gonna do now is put a little bit more of this, I can't believe it's not butter, and cover with aluminum foil the wings and also the drumsticks. I don't want them to get all burnt up on me. Our thermometer says it's already reached 165 degrees in the breast. We're gonna double check. We're gonna check it with our Weber thermometer, you know, just to confirm that it has reached 165. And we're also gonna check the legs as well. Hey guys, let's cut into this turkey. It's reached an internal temperature of 170 degrees. It's time to see what it looks like on the inside. On the outside, it looks marvelous. And it feels like it wants to fall apart. All right, here we go. There it is. That's what the turkey looks like. Let's take these little pieces of aluminum off. Oh yeah, look at that, pull back on them bones back here. That's nice. That's what you want. So, I don't know, how do we do this? Just cut right down the middle. I think that sounds like a plan. And let me put half of it over here. And we're just gonna cut this like we usually do the chicken. So we'll cut the legs right off. And that's pretty good. We'll cut this wing off as well. See if we can get this. Oh yeah, look at that. It just falls apart. Look at that. Pretty good. And here's the breast. Let me cut this breast and see what it looks like. Nice and tender. Let's give it a taste test. So let's see what it's like. Oh yeah. Taste the rosemary coming through it. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm eating with my mouth full. Let me cut a little piece here and give Mama Tell me what you think. She's the camera lady today.
Yeah.
It's good. Look at this. Look at that chicken wing. Man, that looks fantastic. But besides that, guys, this is it. This is my presentation on smoking the turkey in the Lone Star Grill offset. And I've got to get this cut up. We got to eat. I don't know if you can see it, but I got some beans over there on the griddle, you know, warming up. So we got the mac and cheese on the inside, and it's time to eat. If you guys like what I'm doing here, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button over there. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Hit that bell. Make sure to hit that bell to get future notifications on future video recipes that I'm doing. And of course, as always, guys, I appreciate you guys very much. And I will see you on the next cookout. Have a good one.